This is yet another manual Forex trading strategy that has been created to use in the popular Forex trading platform, MetaTrader 4, MT4. The Sonic Blast Forex strategy comes as a trading template with a combination of technical indicators that are used to analyze the charts in your MT4 platform for trading signals. When the Sonic Blast Forex system indicators all agree with each other, there is a buy or sell signal clearly displayed on the chart. You can then decide if you would like to enter the market or wait for the next signal to appear. You do not even need to be at your computer when there is a signal, as the Sonic Blast Forex strategy can also send you alert notification via SMS or email when it discovers a possible opportunity. Whilst this semi-automated approach to trading Forex online may seem like an attractive proposition for anyone who might not have the time or knowledge required to analyze the charts for signals, it is important to understand that there can be no guarantees to how good or bad the Sonic Blast Forex system signals will perform. For that reason, I would always prefer to conduct my own market analysis in order to confirm every signal. I feel that there will be too many false signals otherwise. Sonic Blast Forex System Strategy. The Sonic Blast Forex system is based on price action channels, and each channel band has its own individual square so that you can see each trend change to the very precise level. The price channel strategy was created for breakdowns and breakouts from specific channels. It can be used by momentum traders or swing traders who are looking to detect breakouts from specific ranges. The strategy creates a channel with its bands based on the highest and lowest values for a specific number of bars. Knowing this, Forex traders can use channel levels for entry and exit points. When the channel is bullish, you can look for opportunities to buy the Forex pair as price bounces from the lower level. You can hold the trade until the price approaches the upper level of the channel. In this manner are seeking to trade the impulse move of the channel. When the price bounces from the upper level of the channel, you can trade the potential bearish move to the lower level. However, this is generally less desirable, since the corrective price moves are relatively smaller than the impulse price moves of a trend. The Sonic Blast Forex system is ready to use right out of the package. It comes with a template that when you load, all settings colors show instantly. It is based on price action channels and is very accurate. Each channel band has its own individual square so that you can see each trend change to the very specific level. That said, it gets even easier. It comes with a built-in range/trend change detector that alerts you with a buy or sell arrow. The Sonic Blast Forex system has been impeccably programmed. It comes with an on-screen panel that tells you buy/sell. It will not overlap the candlestick, so it will always be crystal clear for you to read. The world of trading is revolving with the development of more technologies. Therefore, traders need to stay up to date with the latest technologies and leverage on relevant technologies for effective trading. Sonic Blast Forex system has been created as a high-quality Forex trading tool for every trader to trade effectively with the most minimal loss. We understand that making the right decision is critical when trading, as the wrong decisions can make you lose all your investments. It is based on this understanding that we have designed the Sonic Blast Forex system. How will Sonic Blast Forex system help you? As a Forex trader, you will be informed about when to buy or sell. There is also an audio alert signal, keeping you regularly informed. This system features a chart with arrow indicators to show the direction of the signal and help you follow the rise and fall of the market. Guess what? This tool has zero lag, no bug issue, and very high accuracy. This makes it trustworthy and worth the try. With this tool, you can make the best trading strategies. Sonic Blast Forex system enables traders to stay updated on proactive analytics and trading signals, which will help them take advantage of trading opportunities and maximize profits. So what are you waiting for? If you want to be able to manage and maximize your Forex investment, then Sonic Blast Forex system is your best option. Be one of the thousands of happy traders in our community. Let's help you bring out the best from your Forex trades. Now let's get into the system itself. Sonic Blast Forex system is an indicator that has been created as a high-quality trading tool to enable every trader to trade with minimal loss. The system has zero latency and high accuracy, suitable for scalping, day trading and swing trading. These are all the words of the developers, but is everything really so beautiful? Let's get a look. Characteristics of the Sonic Blast Forex system platform. MetaTrader 4 currency pairs. Any trading time, any time frame. M1, WN recommended broker. RoboForex, InstaForex, Forex4U trading rules by Sonic Blast Forex. This system consists of only one indicator, Sonic Blast V1.1, although it looks as if there are several of them. That is why I have placed this system in the indicators category. The indicator has an information dashboard that acts as an informant about the appearance of a signal. The trading rules are very simple. Buy, when a blue up arrow appeared. Stop loss, according to the traditional rule, slightly above/below the local price maximum/minimum. But you can use for this the so-called channel borders, lines of green/red squares, and set stop loss at their level. Take profit, based on the trading style, but not less than 2 stop loss. One of the interesting features of the indicator is the ability to save a screenshot of the signal to the terminal folder. This is yet another manual Forex trading strategy that has been created to use in the popular Forex trading platform.